Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Wolf64, and help! Please get me in the corner.
Hey, you're stuck now for the bar. There's nowhere for you to go.
Sherry has finally become the abuser in the relationship. She couldn't take in the fact that there's two people with special blood. No, me!
Yes,
No, that's too
yes,
abusive! That's too abusive!
Oh, you got out. That's no fun. Okay. Oh, we're back. Another episode.
Huh?
Part 27, 28?
Somewhere around there. I think like 2 episodes ago we were like part 25, making jokes about it.
Yeah.
But anyways, we ain't got time for jokes.
Halfway there. Alright, ready? Agent Cherry on the case. Alright, just a door.
And a green herb. Lucky break.
Alright, I just need one more.
Yep, I need one more too, or at least a green, flipping red herb.
Oh, so soon. Another searching for partner song.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, go and get your lighters out, start waving them around, because it is time for searching for my partner song. Go take it away, B.
Oh, it's the searching for my partner song. I'm looking for my partner, can't find my partner, looking for my partner song. One day I'll find my partner, don't know when, but I'll find my partner, looking for my partner, searching for my partner song. I'm searching for my partner, can't find my partner, don't know when my partner is song. One day I'll find my partner, that's not today, but maybe in the future, I'll find my partner in my bay. Looking for my partner, searching for my partner song. I'm searching for my partner, looking for my partner song. I checked under my bed. I checked in my closet. Oh, there you go. I found my partner in the closet. He's too afraid to come out.
Because I'm coming in the closet. Yeah. So many nice clothes in this closet.
Alright, come on. The closet.
She's approaching to the closet. Cause somebody will stop her. She's approaching the closet. I'm singing in the middle of this important.
I'll walk out to the bedroom. I'll walk out of the closet. Whatever.
What the heck? This guy. Okay, I think this is gonna be our friends. I'm not sure, but I have a feeling.
Help.
Did we get help from a mysterious big Cuba Asian?
I don't know.
Oh, hello, that wasn't enough.
Oh, he just came back, huh? Just from that.
That's BS.
I mean, he did come back from like 3 explosions.
Yeah, that's Jesus Christ! Okay, apparently I'm driving. B, do your best to keep up any zombies.
Watch out, there's barrels.
I'm making it, don't worry, I'm making my turns. Oh, hello. Hang on, I got it. What, I can't turn anymore? Okay, I guess this is our off. This is our ride.
Come on!
Look, I think look at all this destruction and everything. I think this is the wake of Christmas and Christmas Massacre here.
Oh yeah, the boat.
Oh god! He's back! Spring won't give up!
I have one more explosive. Look at me.
Behind us is a flying squid!
Oh, look behind you.
Oh god! Oh dear! Oh god!
I got you. Hey, get out of the face. Stop that.
Oh god! Wow, okay. And I'm dead. Honestly, that was a BS. That's a BS. You can't just suddenly throw some zombies right behind our backs. Okay, hang on. Let's see if I have one more. Nope, don't have any more revolts explosive. B, if you have any more revolts explosive, Put it right here.
I only have one.
Okay.
They're not gonna come from there. They're gonna be like, they're gonna spawn right here.
Okay, either or. We're gonna need to be ready.
Back! Spring won't give up!
Here we come. I think. I'm not sure.
They're helping us! Even your buddies in the CSA!
Okay. Yeah, we got Legends Elite.
Nope, you ain't touching me.
Oh, and oh, what the heck? I am seeing something ugly and strange for the first time.
Oh, I'll give you mean. I'm gonna take your money. That's not very good. You never even very nice lady.
And are you? No, this is why you say the elephant. Oh, hello. Wait, this is the elephant killer. And dodge.
Sucker.
This is why I save ammo for the elephant.
I mean, at some point, I just had to use it. I don't even
Oh! And there's still some ammo. Oh, right behind us too. Okay.
Oop.
And, oh, jeez. Would like to be cool? Try to be cool in front of my boomstick again, I dare you. Okay,
Oh, okay.
oh gosh!
Right, he was right there. Sorry, I really tried to stop him.
You're good, you're good.
It's not your fault, it was my fault.
Alright, we got him, he's dead, there's blood everywhere.
It's in the ground, it's in my sheets, it's in my ass, it's in your ass, it's in my clothes. That's the worst to get out. Sheets in the clothes.
What do you mean, blood?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's,
let's get on a boat.
it's hard. You ever try to get blood out of clothes?
Nope. Okay, who's driving, me or you?
I'm driving. I'm driving.
Just saw some sort of light or something in the water.
Yeah, one pool, baby, one pool.
Jesus Christ!
Turn, B, turn!
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know you just rotate the joystick. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's how you drive the boat. You just
Okay.
turn, B, turn.
Easy, 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 easy. What the hell? What type of lousy construction is this?
I have no idea. We gotta keep an eye out on the red light that's around. Oh gosh! What the heck happened?
You got hit by the thing, you dummy! Yeah,
What
very
thing?
dumber. The thing that was swinging back and forth.
That's stupid.
You're stupid. You weren't paying attention. Of course it's gonna hit us.
Just saw some sort of light or something in the water.
By the way, we started with with full health again, so I'm happy.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ!
Cristo Santo.
Oh dang! I thought it was it's Chainsaw Man.
Is that what's bringing him down?
Yeah. By the way, Chainsaw Man, good manga. Everyone, check it out.
Hey, it is good. You should check it out. I should check it out. Alright, stay at the front of the boat. Stay at the front.
Helicopter!
Oh, why that splashes? Yep, there it is. Get him off me! Get him off me!
Get up, my woman!
Took you long enough. He's on me again! He's on me again! Thank you.
I said, get up, my woman! What? Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness, he's just spinning around that thing.
Yep.
Yep, I'm getting that part. We got him! Oh, jeez!
Yes, you do.
Man, I would hate to see if that guy was already regenerated.
I think that was already generated.
Guy got it, he's worse.
What the hell was that?
He's actually not that bad compared to the other
I
ones.
don't
I feel like a
know,
little bit more
but
annoying.
whoever they are,
That's true.
they just saved my life.
Because the other one does break down into pieces and
Over
we'll
there!
try
That's the
again.
rendezvous point.
At least the other one we're not. The one thing about the other ones
Boat
we're
rides to the
not
Titanic.
required to fight.
Look out!
Oh. Okay.
Oh gosh, I do not have enough ammo. Oh wait, yes I do. I have the sniper. Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
Oh.
Thank you, mysterious lady.
Spider-Man? Spider-Woman.
I know that butt very well. That is a Spider-Woman.
Yeah. He's got turned into a smoothie.
Yes.
Hmm?
Almost. Alright, we'll be there as soon as we can.
Your boss.
Boss still keeping tabs on that.
For now.
Let's go then.
Okay,
Right.
let's keep going. Find me up my ladder. Okay, hopefully that was our regenerator. Honestly, I don't want to deal with another. If we actually have to deal with a real regenerator in the future.
Yeah, I guess.
Jake,
Excuse me.
That was awesome.
I'm glad you liked it.
Mm-hmm. By the way, any words from your girl?
No, we don't want to talk about that right now. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
if Leon was right about Simmons, I want you to run. No matter what happens.
Seem a little touchy-feely.
Promise me.
Fight. But under one condition. One PP touch.
No. 2 PP touch. Maybe.
Deal.
No, wait!
Ah, Agent Burke and Peckham time. Kindly take these two into custody, won't you?
They said you were involved in the terrorist attack. Is it true?
What? Are they running down the street screaming into anyone who'll listen?
Answer me!
It's for the benefit of the United States and global security.
Can't see how killing the president is good for the country.
You know, he could have continued the act right there and say, like,
Leon
yes,
to thank for that.
no, these two are being delusional. They're criminals and everything like that, right?
What? I'm sorry. What's in him?
Like, he should have been,
Those two are still of use to us.
he should have said, no, these two are criminals. They're trying to turn their use against us and everything.
Think you can make it that door?
I think at this point, it doesn't really matter because he is like.
Sharing.
I would say like because the only people that are in that room are people
What
that
are
work
you
for
gonna
him,
do?
right? And like
There's
the people that he's
information on
bad
here that
just
could stop
like
the sea virus.
dispose of.
Simmons wants
So it
to.
doesn't really matter.
No, that's why. Everyone who's in that room works for him,
Protection.
including Sherry.
Now move!
I mean, he'll probably take Sherry and then
Leon, you still disappoint me with those.
Lilies are cool. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Go! Run!
Oh, I don't have a choice.
You promised.
Yeah, that's the thing with Jake. He's like Eddie Guerrero. He cheats, he steals, and he lies. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Show him with those hands like before. You know, I'm actually surprised. For 2 episodes straight, I have not brought in these hands.
Oh.
And then the reason why I had like a lot of ammo saved up.
Mm.
And there we go. That was the end of the episode. Wow, we died equally. Our
We died
was a
quite a
little more
bit.
better, but yeah, we both sucked.
Yeah.
God dang.
I got a lot more enemies though. Like a lot more. Goddamn.
Oh yeah, you did. Oh my goodness. Then how come?
Yeah, we got both got bronze.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's why my acting was so much worse because we killed so many more enemies. Yours was good. That's where you like over a while you were just punching shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Get it, Dan.
Yeah, we did it. All right.
All right. I'm ready to move on. I don't need to buy anymore. Spend all the skill points for nothing.
Wait. Hold on. Yeah,
Okay,
it's fine.
you go ahead.
I'll just say that. I'll just say that. It's fine.
Oh, you're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go and move on to the next level.
Yes, please.
Got some good tasty agua.
Nice. Uh-oh. He's in one of those massage chairs that turn upside down, or those things that you're supposed to hang upside down on or something.
Sorry.
Oh, no, my chair's on the other side.
I trusted Simmons. I should have been able to see through his lies. This is all my fault.
Just follow orders, right? You're doing the right thing. Vaccine. The world and all that.
You still good. After all, they're in good hands, aka Leon's and Helena's. hands.
Helena's. Yeah.
Oh, there's an envelope.
What?
What the hell just happened?
Who let us go? I think Ada let us go. Oh, I see it.
Took our weapons.
Oh, no weapon. Where's my weapon at?
I still have these hands.
Are you Dawson? Can you reach up there?
No, I can't.
Exactly.
Okay, hang on.
Jake,
Da-da.
there. Our weapons.
Oh, amazing. Alright, B, listen. It seems like we might have to do a recon mission of you staying here and me going in there to use using these hands in order to get to.
Sure. Whatever you say, bud.
Oh, never mind.
Good luck.
Careful with the rats. Looks like they're having
Thanks.
some sort of digital meltdown while
They're-
trying to mate.
They're dash dancing. It's 1v1 Fox only, no items, final destination.
Oh wow.
Yeah. They're going at it really hard. Oh, what the hell? No! What the fuck? Get away from me!
That's supposed to be impossible!
What the fuck, man?
I'm alright.
I can't do this.
Look out!
I
Get
hate
the weapon!
you so
Get the
much.
weapon!
Sure? Hey, break out
I
the door!
did.
Save it for climbing through those air ducts.
Remember, watch out for its hand. It's the most deadliest.
Let me in.
Hey,
Okay.
break out the
Okay,
door!
go in.
Save it for climbing through those air
There you go.
Bad, girl.
My pleasure.
Oh god.
Oh, the emblem.
Don't forget the emblem.
I got it.
Let me get the emblem real quick myself. Where is it again? Where is it?
It's up in the corner next to where I jumped up.
Okay.
Here, Freddy, look at it. Yeah.
And okay, let's get out of here before that thing comes back.
Yeah.
Sherry.
Shut up.
Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta get the elevator going. Come on. Or is there any goodies? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, found one bag.
Electricity temporarily rerouted to incubation
Oh,
chamber.
perfect.
To activate elevator,
Incubation.
please attach reserve battery.
Okay, so
Oh wait, we both in the underwater facility?
yeah, this is the underwater facility. The water.
No, till we find it.
Wait. Are we the reason why that thing? Oh no. Okay.
Wait, are we the reason what?
Are we the reason why that? Are we the reason why that thing comes out and disappears?
Reserve battery 1
No.
activated.
Oh, here it comes.
25% charged.
We gotta get more? Damn it.
Shut up, it's on. Did you get his hand?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sweet, assault rifle ammo.
Hey!
Hey, listen.
Hey, look.
That's hardly practical. We got no choice.
Watch out.
If you leave, there's no other way up. Well,
I guess we're not going down. There we go. And
Hey, let me on. I hate you.
how come it didn't let you on?
It's my spot.
Oh, okay, I couldn't jump on time. Hang on, babe. I'm coming back to you. We're better off sticking together anyways.
Are you enough at the same spot? Oh, we are. No, dude, come on! Sorry, I don't mean to like that.
No, okay. Oh gosh, it's coming back.
What's coming back?
The zombie
The regenerator?
regenerated, yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's already up here. It's not magnetic. There we go. Oh, it still has his hand attached. Surprisingly.
Yeah. Ready?
I'm over here. Okay.
Yeah, do this 5 more times.
It looks like it. Oh, now it's rotating. How fun!
Reserve battery 2 activated. 50% charged.
Okay, we go through here.
Right, halfway there.
On the way out.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh God, are you kidding me? There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, I can't pick up any more rope bombs. How unfortunate.
Oh,
Why?
unfortunate indeed. Oh, you're probably full in space. Check your space.
Probably, yeah.
What's over here? Ammo.
You know, I should use a little bit of the
Oh, hey, nerd.
grenade launcher.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh,
What kind of herb? Red herb?
a green. A green.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, this water drain. Most likely it's gonna be. Oh wait, there's an emblem over here.
Oh, sick. Even better.
Right here.
Cool.
Seriously? No red herb? After chemistry. Oh gosh, it's here.
Yep.
Step away from me! Look out!
Ow.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look out! This one, me.
Thank you.
Okay, where do we go?
Well, it's going from D. Oh, here we
Okay, go! Alright, down here. Okay, too late.
You can go here. No. Oh, that's you can go there.
Oh, okay, never
Too
mind.
late now. And that's where we came from. I'm gonna go down one.
Okay. And there we go. Okay, he's here.
To the right.
To the right?
Yep, there he is.
Oh, come on! Step away from it!
Oh, there
We'll
is
use
you.
explosive!
There's Right, there's more than one.
There we go.
We could have pushed it into the grenade.
Alright, just grab it.
Grab what?
I mean, the switch.
Oh.
Jerry!
Oh gosh, it's hand!
Oh no.
That's okay.
Did you get a
It's
10?
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Two more? One more? Or are we good?
No, we got like 3 more.
Oh,
Back to,
that looks like
back
something
to
for
there.
me. Have
Reserve
fun.
battery 3 activated. 75% charged.
One more left.
Alright, come on, me.
H is stuck there. Okay.
Alright, here we go. And I'm on.
Wow.
Promise you'll wait for me, B. Wait for me. Oh gosh. Okay, she can't wait. Come on, program machine. Hurry up.
I got it. It's fine. We're good. We're
Okay,
good.
B. Come on, go. Let's go.
More shotgun ammo at least.
Alright, that's good.
So we can't get in there yet. This one's gonna be for you, I think. Yep.
This is for me? Oh, okay. Here we go. Yep, it's a daisy.
Yeah, we did come from here.
Okay.
Oh no, bring me back.
skill points! Amazing! Oh, don't tell me this room is just nothing for skill points. B?
Shit, I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be here anymore.
We've been cheated. I've been cheated out. There's skill points in this one. Dang, I had a chance to go. Sorry, the beat.
Who's
The
up
name
the
of this
bag?
crap. Yeah. Sorry that. What? No, wait, why are you taking me down? I need to go down. Go down. Take me back down.
Oh, okay, hold on. No, yeah, that works out.
Okay, found another room that Jake can only go through.
Oh, it came back.
Yeah, it's a regenerated beat. Okay.
Oh, let me egg. You know,
Right.
I'll take my chances. I lost my chance because the generator was in my way. The generator was in my way.
And I
I
am
need
nowhere
another
near
take.
you. You think you're gonna make it?
Yeah, I should be fine. Oh, the hand. Oh no, the hand.
Sherry.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh god. And the legs.
It just had to be the legs.
It was just a simple stop too.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
They squished the good parts. Okay, I'm just not gonna get off this platform.
Okay, we're gonna try it one more time.
Okay, so we do have to go back to F at some point.
Oh gosh!
75% charged.
Come on, B. Let's go. It's back. No, what are you doing? Come on, Jake. Come on, go. Let's go. Loser!
So D is just points, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go back to F. Yeah, it's gonna turn. We go back there. We're gonna wait for the blue one.
And I heard a growl.
I heard it too. They're gonna come right now in a second. So this blue one should come around right now. Blue one did not come around. Oh, we gotta go to E. What the? Oh, we gotta go
Oh,
to E.
hello. Hang on, B.
Jump, please. Jump, please.
Oh, gosh.
Ready, jump. Ready, jump.
Oh, too late for me. Too late. Oh, gosh. Oh, and... Oh, gosh. There we go. And bam. Stuck up. Oh, gosh. Ah! Okay.
Ready, jump.
Oh, hang on. I'm coming. Oh, what the
Maybe we
heck?
just come back.
This emblem
Maybe we
came
come
back.
back.
This emblem came back. Oh, we always still got it. Never mind.
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe we come back?
Yeah, let's go.
Is-
Where is it? Oh gosh, he's back. And... Oh gosh. Okay, come on, let's go.
Oh, sorry, hold on. No, because we can't get the E. It's weird. How'd you get on the blue one?
I have no idea,
Oh.
but we... Okay, there.
Oh, just go. Bro!
Oh!
Bro, for real?
Oh gosh! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Run me! Oh gosh! Oh, they're taking me down. They're taking me to town, dude.
Alright, it's coming around in a second. Are you serious? I can't throw it out. I can't throw it out the door.
Here comes me. Here
Alright,
comes What? Alright, let's get on a different one.
So what I'm gonna need you to do is I'm gonna need you to go to D. D gets revisited. Yeah, D gets visited by the blue one, so you're gonna have to get on that one.
Okay, for sure. Okay,
Yeah.
here we go.
So I'll stay here. Wait
Okay.
safe.
Let's get my ammo. For the blue one.
Oh, I was gonna say, hold on. Like, wait for cycle.
Huh?
Wait for a cycle. Come back to me. I should have some healing. Yeah, I have some healing.
I'll be
I
fine.
can give you a little bit.
I'll be
Are
fine.
you sure? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you
I
say.
still have, yeah, I still have some candies actually.
Probably eat one candy. Are you at 2 pips of health or 1?
I have 2.
Like, how much health do you have? 2 squares or 1 square?
2 squares.
Okay.
Again, where am I supposed to go? Oh, this, hang on, I'm supposed to go to G. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, never mind. I'm gonna have to wait now.
Alright, just wait for the cycle. Yeah, it's fine.
Well, are you ready? Have you got? You should get on the blue one too.
I can't, because the only way for me to get on the blue one is to do the flip like you did.
Oh, okay.
You not remember? Sir?
Okay, my bad. Oh, okay, here we go. G. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello. Whoop and whoop. Get away from me! Oh, great! I shot up your other arm. Ah, damn it! No!
Told you. There he is.
And I'm dead.
Oh, you know what? Your butt. So you should have had the second cup of candy.
Yeah, I should have taken that piece of candy.
Alright, so we're gonna stay on the platform.
Got it.
Not get off to fight the regenerators. You're gonna go to G. You're gonna have to. There's no
Reserve
way I can
battery
get there.
3 activated. 75% charged.
Let's go.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh! Oh, how fun. Yeah!
I got it.
Nice.
Wait, what is
Oh, here's the legs. Oh, another one.
Bro,
Oh god! Come on!
there's 3?
Forget about it. Come on, B. Oh, damn it. Okay.
We missed the cycle.
Come on. Come on. Oh, hello.
Why'd you let you get around there?
You're forgetting me. I'm stupid. Alright, come on. Let's get ready for it.
I think we just missed it.
I mean, most likely did. That's okay. I'll be back in one more.
There you go.
There we go. Alright, if anything, you should wait for me to go to G.
Yeah. Okay, you gotta go to D.
Yep, gotta
I
go
can
to
get
D.
to A.
And here we go.
You know what? Maybe there's a way for me to get there.
What the heck? I pressed lame. Maybe there is.
Maybe, yeah.
Hopefully there is. If anything, because I know there should be a way for you to like climb up.
Yeah. No, I think I can.
And either way, there's like a wall separated for up to G.
Right.
So you should really stick what the heck?
Okay. Yep. I think I found it. All right. I'm sorry. Yeah, I found it. I'm sorry.
Okay, you're good. You're good, B. Oh.
You're not.
I get to
All right.
have this
Found
guy.
it. All right. Going to I.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, hey. I think I'm in the wrong room.
Yeah, you should be in G.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to the try to get. I'm supposed to hop in the blue one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's the only one.
Oh gosh!
Someone can help you.
Possibly. Watch my back. I'm sorry. Yeah, hop on.
Yeah. You good. Ready to go. Go.
There we go. Made it. Here was G. Okay, here's G. And I let go.
Let me know when you're ready to hit the button.
Okay. Let's grab that hand. The handle. Okay. Running. And I am here.
Okay, hit the button.
Oh, jeez.
Some other button, you doofus. You goofy goober, you silly butthole.
There we go. Elevator is working.
Okay.
Hopefully the lasers are working.
Oh,
gosh. Oh gosh! No, that's not fair! That's not fair! That's not fair! Oh gosh! Oh gosh, me!
I can't do anything but watch this.
Oh gosh, it sun-kissed me!
Oh no!
Oh gosh, it went full predator with me!
Oh my god, that's alien, but yeah, oh my god.
I mean predator, yeah. I mean alien.
Alien? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it just went full xenomorph on me.
Yeah, there you go. Now you're sucking diesel.
Hey, but we got a checkpoint after this.
Ooh.
Oh, come on! Hook and... Oh, wait.
That's the final one.
Oh, we have to fight him? Oh, hello!
Okay, he's back into the electrical wall.
Oh,
Nice.
Unexpected power surge detected. Please use the elevator for evacuation.
Okay.
come on, the elevator works.
You have to find a way to stop it? Oh. Okay. We gotta run across. We gotta run back to the
Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, I thought this was something you could run over. Jump over.
Nope.
Oh gosh, it's back! Jump at me!
You're right. Oh, that was weird. It didn't start off there. Aww. I got Freddy back up. I got a grenade. I got Freddy use it.
Okay. Go! Use it! Is there another way for us to get down, or...? I think jump back. I think we're supposed to jump back.
No. We're good. We gotta wait till this power can go through. good idea.
Okay.
No?
Oh gosh. Okay, now it's be right.
No, on the
now.
bottom.
You might have to do a quick time event. Get ready.
Oh, easy. I did this shit before.
There we go.
Sherry, you alright?
I'm gonna get the first.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Go. Yeah. I'm faster. Come on, closer. I made it first. Let's go. Yeah, you heinous liquor. Go back to where you belong.
And how? Alright, come on, let's go. It's blowing up. Alright. Alright, B. You know, I think you and I know. I think this is actually reaching up to the end right now.
Okay.
For Jake and Sherry.
Shit.
Yeah. So.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
Are we gonna go?
Yeah. Let's just go.
Okay.
The viewers have already seen the cutscene before with
Oh, Chris and Pierce.
Yeah. So, but if
Oh,
anything,
yeah.
B, why don't you give them one more searching for my partner before, or searching for my partner song before we close out. So, ladies and gentlemen, J Bear.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay. I'm searching for my partner. Don't know where my partner went, but I'll find them soon enough. Searching for my partner. I'm searching for my partner. Searching for my partner. Searching for my partner. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Let me try again. Okay. Searching for my partner. Searching for my. Oh, it's over.
Yeah, it's over. But don't worry, guys. We'll see. We'll hear more of B searching for my partner song, and the next part. So guys, thank you everyone so much for watching. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and share the video as well. And please share the video, guys. We're trying to reach up to 150 subscribers by the first half of the year. If we can't make it to that, that's okay. But it'll be awesome if we can. But anyways, if you guys want to share your thoughts on the video, go ahead and comment down in the comment section below. And as well, don't forget, guys, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Again, we're trying to reach up to 150 subscribers before the first half of the year, and can't do it without you guys. So please help me out with that. And once you do subscribe, hit that little bell to receive all notifications. Iron support. This has been J Bear and Confrontations having ready for us. Peace out and God bless you all.
Chris?